This is Audible.
Penguin Random House Audio presents There Is No Antimemetics Division by Quantum, narrated by Rebecca Calder.
Listener note. Some portions of this audiobook are deliberately redacted. Redactions sound like this. Reference U0055, category Epsilon 0. Containment protocol. U0055 is kept in Building 67, Vault 3011A, at the UO Primary Archive Facility at Black River. This containment unit is a 5 by 5 by 2.5 meter cuboidal room clad in layers of cement and electromagnetic interference shielding. Security personnel are not to be posted outside U0055's containment unit. Description: U0055 is a self-keeping secret, or antimeme. Information about U0055's physical appearance, as well as its nature, behavior, and origins, is self-classifying. To clarify, how the organization originally acquired U0055 is unknown. U0055's physical appearance is unknown. It is not indescribable, nor invisible. Individuals are perfectly capable of entering U0055's containment unit and observing it, taking mental or written notes, making sketches, taking photographs, and even making audio-video recordings. An extensive log of such observations is on file. However, information about U0055's physical appearance leaks out of a human mind soon after such an observation. Individuals tasked with describing U0055 afterward find their minds wandering and lose interest in the task. Individuals tasked with sketching a copy of a photograph of U0055 are unable to remember what the photograph looks like, as are researchers overseeing these tests. Security personnel who have observed U0055 via closed-circuit television cameras emerge after a full shift, exhausted and effectively amnesiac about the events of the previous hours. Who authorized the construction of U0055's containment unit? Why it was constructed in this way, and what the purpose of the described containment protocol may be, are all unknown. Despite U0055's containment unit being easily accessible, personnel at Black River uniformly claim no knowledge of U0055's existence when challenged. U0055. All of these facts are periodically rediscovered, usually by chance readers of this file, causing considerable alarm. This state of concern lasts minutes at most, before the matter is simply forgotten about. A great deal of scientific data has been recorded from U0055, but cannot be studied. U0055 may present a major physical threat, and indeed may have killed hundreds of personnel, and we would not know it. Certainly it presents a major memetic mental threat, hence its tentative epsilon categorization. At least 2 attempts have been made to destroy U0055, or possibly to move it from containment at Black River to another UO archive facility, meeting failure for reasons unknown. Addendum, November 10th, 2008. It is hypothesized that U0055 was never formally acquired by the organization and is in fact an autonomous or remotely controlled agent inserted at Black River by an unidentified third party for the purpose of silently observing or interfering with other unknowns. The organization itself